can we lead or guide others when we haven't first learned to lead our own minds? You see, we live in an age where information travels faster than reflection, where opinions echo louder than truth, and where emotional reactions, emotional reactivity, has quietly replaced emotional intelligence. Let's think about your own social media feed for a minute. When you're going through the comment section, do you think that a lot of people are taking the time to stop and think about the insights and different perspectives and then respond? Or do you think most of those comments are filled with reactions? A lot of them are even shouting in their own way, actually. Now think about yourself. Do you pause before commenting?